All right, guys, I want to go over a tutorial of how to play I Love to Praise Him, I Love to Praise His Name. We used to have a lot of fun singing this song, and I'm going to do it in the key of B flat. Now, one of the little tricks I like to do is this. I'm playing the 1 and the 5, the 1 and the 6, the 1 and the 7 flat. That's basically a B flat chord, an E flat chord, and a B flat 7 chord. But I'm taking out the middle part of that. The right hand is doing a B flat, an E flat. It's basically doing a B flat 7 as well. But I'm taking out all the middle. So you got B flat, D, F, E flat, B flat, G, B flat, B flat, F, A flat, and that completes all those chords. So it goes A flat, A, B flat. That's like a little turnaround I like to do. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. Oh, oh, I love to praise His holy name. Now what I'm doing there, if you follow that, I'm doing my B flat amp. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. I'm going to the F, vamping off the F, and then I go back to that B flat. Oh, I love to praise His name. I love to praise Him. And then here's where we go from the B flat down to the G minor. I love to praise His name. B flat, F over A, G minor. Oh, oh, I love. Now here's something cool. You can do C minor, which is a 7, which is like an E flat over C. I love to praise. That's a B flat over D, E flat. His, that's just an E diminished. His holy name. You can do that, or you can do this. I love. That's also like a little funky chord you can do there. It's a D flat, that's the octave, D flat over D. I love to praise His holy name. I love to praise His holy name. And it sounds weird and sounds kind of off, but when you sing it actually sounds good. It's got a lot of soul to it in doing it that way. Or you can do it this way. I love to praise His holy name, which doesn't have near as much soul, and it's kind of a safe way to do it. But if you want to really add that punch, you add these little chords in, and these little things are just odd, but you know, I guess you could call that a F major augmented, F augmented major 9. That's what it looks like to me, with a add 4. I mean, it's weird. I mean, just odd things that you hear, sounds okay. You experiment with things. You don't have to play that. You can do all kinds of different things to do that. And then when you get to the chorus or the second part, where it goes, for He's my rock, you're going from the B flat to the E flat. My rock, my soul, my shield. I'm actually going from an E flat to an E flat minor. You can do that, or you can do the whole vamp. For He's my rock. Either way, because you're just jamming. He will in the middle of the wheel. Going back to that B flat. Oh, he will never, never, never let me down. He's the joy. You can walk down every single half step, or you can walk down by octaves. Oh, he's the joy. Do it like that, walking back up. Joy. B flat over D. E flat over E flat. That's an E flat diminished. That I have found. Back to that F. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. I love to praise His name. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Back to that F. Oh, I love to praise His name. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I love to praise His name. Walking back down to that G minor. Then you can do this little funky chord again. I love to praise His holy name. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. I love to praise Him. I love to praise His name. Oh, 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 I love to praise His holy name. For He's my rock, my soul, my shield. He's the wheel in the middle of the wheel. He will never, never, never let me down. He's the joy I have found. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I love to praise His name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I love to praise His name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I love to praise His name. Oh, 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 I love to praise His holy name. I love to praise. I love to praise. I love to praise His holy name. So there you have it. It's just a real quick, simple song. It's got a few little, it's a lot of vamping, a lot of neat little changes there, a few little neat chords that are different, little things that you can add to your repertoire of things that you add, the little ingredients that you add to the song to make it just a little bit more special. But anyway, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you know what? There's some videos over here. Keep on watching, keep on growing, and God bless.